वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल मास्टरिंग कॉमर्स एकेडमी। आज हम पढ़ेंगे टैली के एमसीक्यूज का पार्ट 10 जो कि बीबीए, बीकॉम, एमबीए, एमकॉम और अदर कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स लाइक जूनियर ऑडिटर एंड अकाउंट असिस्टेंट जैसे एग्जाम्स के लिए इम्पोर्टेंट है। और जिस भी एग्जाम में टैली रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाते हैं उन सबके लिए इम्पोर्टेंट है। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। Tally Prime is primarily used for website development, image editing, accounting and inventory management, video editing. So here the correct answer is accounting and inventory management. Second question is which company developed Tally software? Infosys, Wipro, Microsoft Tally Solutions Private Limited. So here D is the correct answer. Question number 3 is the shortcut to create a company in Tally Prime is Alt plus C, Alt plus F1, Alt plus K, then create Alt plus N. So here the correct answer is Alt plus K, then create. C is the correct answer. Next question is to shut a company in Teleprime you use Alt plus K, then shut, Alt plus F4, Control plus X, Alt plus F3. So here the correct answer is Alt plus K, then shut. A is the correct answer. The gateway screen of Tally is called dashboard, home panel, gateway of Tally, main menu. So here the correct answer is C, gateway of Tally. Next question is which ledger is created by default in every Tally company? Purchase, sales, profit and loss account, capital. So here the correct answer is profit and loss account. C is the correct answer. Question number 7 is which key is used to go to the day book? D, Alt plus D, Control plus D, then D none. So here the correct answer of question number 7th is D. इनमें से कोई भी correct नहीं है. Next question is Tally follows which system of accounting? Cash basis, single entry, double entry या फिर budgetary. So here the correct answer is C, double entry. Question number 9 is which feature records credit purchase of goods? Receipt voucher, purchase voucher, payment voucher, journal voucher. So here, which feature the record credit purchase of goods? The correct answer is purchase voucher. B is the correct answer. Question number 10 is the shortcut to create a ledger while entering voucher is Control plus C, Alt plus C, Shift plus C, Control plus L. So here the correct answer is B, Alt plus C. Question number 11th is contra voucher is used to record sales, record purchase, transfer cash to bank or vice versa. Then record journal entries. So here the correct answer is C, transfer cash to bank or vice versa is called contra entry or as such contra voucher. Question number 12 is which type of account is sales account? Asset, liability, income, expense. So here the correct answer is income. C is the correct answer. Question number 13 is outstanding report in Tally is used to track payment due from customers, view profit, view cash flow, generate TDS. So here the correct answer is track payment due from customers. Next question is to activate inventory features, press F11, F12, Control plus I, Alt plus I. So here to activate inventory features, press F11. A is the correct answer. Question number 15 is ledger is created under inventory info, accounts info, features, display menu. So here the ledger is created under accounts info. B is the correct answer. And the next question is which of the following is not a voucher type in Tally? Journal, receipt, invoice, contra. This is the bonus question for you. You have to answer this question in the comment section below. The question again I am repeating is which of the following is not a voucher type in Tally? Journal, receipt, invoice or contra. So this is all about this lecture. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like and share this lecture and subscribe to the channel Mastering Commerce Academy.